Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to show you what I made with the September Sew Sampler box. They included a Jolly Bar, which is 5 by 10 inch pieces of fabric of the quilt line Denim and Daisies. And I went ahead and instead of using the two patterns that were in there, they had a QR code so I could download a pattern online, and I just really like the looks of it. And it's called Short and Cut Jolly Bar Bakewell is the pattern. So I want to show you what it looks like. And that used all of the pieces plus a background fabric, which I put in here, and I needed, oh, I can't remember. So I was able to make this with the one Jolly Bar and then 7/8 yard of a background fabric. Now they show it in the pattern with a border. Don't know if I'm going to put that on because I don't know if I have something in my stash that would match these, and I'm already thinking of the next project I want to work on. So I may just keep it this size as a small baby quilt, and I'll show you it when it's all quilted. I was also going to mention that I have all kinds of leftovers from the Jelly Bar. So there is plenty here that I could actually put a border around it, which I'm not going to do, but I'm sure I'll be making another quilt project with the rest of these Denim and Daisies fabrics because they're so cute.